I am in Commerce Manager, I can go under the PXM and see that under the product, there are no products. I've already created a price book with the name as default price book, and there are no prices. I've already created hierarchy, which does not have any nodes. And a template is already been created with the name as additional info, which is maintaining information of feature 1, feature 2, feature 3. So we want all this information coming from Pimberly. So let me go and open Pimberly as well. So if I go to the product, I can see that there are some parental and child products as well. And I can see the information like feature 1, feature 2, feature 3. So these information being needed in Elastic Path Commerce Cloud. There is a price information as well. And there is a variation information as well. For example, this color is a blue. For the variation, there are variation already exists. So under the variation, color already exists. And as part of the option, there is a black and blue. So we'll be loading this product where this is blue. And this one is black. So before starting this integration, we need a client ID and client secret. So you can go to application keys and create a new one. I've already generated one, which I'm going to use in this demo. Also in the Pimberly, you need to go and retrieve the API key. So if you click on this rest, you will able to see your API keys. So now let me go into Integration Hub. Add the client ID and client secret along with the token URL. Leave all the values as default. Click on connect. So authorization is completed. Let me add Pimberly connection. I've already copied the API key. Now you will notice there are two different URLs. So in Pimberly, the webhook base URL is a little bit different than the API base URL. So please get in touch with Pimberly team to get the webhook URL. Click on next. We wanted to set up an webhook in the Pimberly. And so that's why this is enabled. And the action would be create an update. We want to enable the full sync as well. And usually the full sync works with the cron job. So this is a default cron job, which is the 12th of December every year. But in this demo, I'm going to hit this on an ad hoc basis. On the next page, there are templates. So we need to change our product template. I'm going to receive a name field. So you can validate all the fields from this mapping, and you can actually change as well. So this is right now name. If you wanted to change this to something else, you can change it. So name field, I am retrieving for the name and description for this demo. Primary ID for slug and skew, I'm converting the primary ID. If there are any special characters, I'm just removing it as part of this function. And then this is the attributes. So we know that our template is additional info. Now feature 1 and feature 2 has been given. We'll change to elastic path corresponding slug. So feature -1, feature -1 is the elastic path slug. And there is a feature 3 as well. We'll change it accordingly. And the images are coming from the images field. So we'll leave that as it is. So this is the images field. Then in the node template, we just need to change the hierarchy name, which is a default hierarchy. In the price template, we'll change the price book name. That's a default price book. The price GBP and price US is coming from here, GBP and US. So we are only interested in these two prices. So we'll leave this as is. In the variation as well, we need to make the same change. So variation is having a different attributes. For example, your variation is having a different attribute set as compared to your parent product. Then you can manage it from here. So that's it. We have given the variation name as color, and color value is coming from the color field. If you have any other attributes, you can add it like a size or anything else. You can add it here. And images is coming from the images field. Now I'll click on next. These are the default fields which is required by this integration. So there are three fields which is required: items, parents, and product type. So you can validate that what is the field name for items, for parents, and for your product type. So product type is something where you will receive what kind of product it is, whether it is a product or a SKU. And you need to define that your parent product type should be product, and all your child product of the parent product is a type of SKU. So once this configuration is done, click on finish. So this will enable a webhook in the Pimberly. Now I'll just trigger this product sync full manually. I'll copy this URL and hit it in the browser so that it will run. So we can see products are getting loaded. There are many products which does not have the images. That's why it is not been loaded. So you can see 903 products required and add images in the Pimberly. Ready for sale is 105. So we can see that 103 are loaded successfully. Now it's 105 because 2 are child products. Now let me go and open a product and we'll see details are coming successfully. Additional info is also good. So all the features are being loaded successfully. Price is coming as GBP because there was no USD price for this specific product. Images are also being loaded successfully. And if I go to the hierarchy, I can see that hierarchies are also being loaded successfully. Let's take a scenario of Delta Sync as well, which is the second part of this demo. So I'll use this specific product and then I'll change the name as new. So let me open this in elasticpathcommercecloud as well. Okay, so this has been without the new. So let's add new and click on OK. So as soon as this has been clicked, the webhook is going to be fired and the message is going to be sent to this integration. So here you go. We can see that the Delta product is also been updated successfully.